Hi, and welcome to another tutorial for Digicel Flipbook. Today we're going to talk about camera moves. As you can see, we've got our demo scene here with Jupiter, and this scene was drawn to make Jupiter walk in place. Alright, well that looks really good until we add the background. Then it's pretty easy to see that something's got to move. Okay, that's what we're going to use the camera for. Alright, we use a camera move to do things like pans and zooms and rotation, because traditionally that's all done with a camera. Alright, to do a camera move, we're just going to go to the first frame of the scene and we're going to click on our pan tool. Alright, this icon is for panning. I should tell you about these camera tools. This one is zooming, this one is rotating, this one is for a blur, and this one adjusts the alpha channel, which is how you do fades and dissolves. Okay, this icon deletes all the keys. This deletes just the current key. And this icon will take you to the next key in your scene, and this one to the previous key to help you find your way back and forth between the keys. Alright, so here we are at frame 1. We click on the pan tool, we put the cursor in the image, and we can see that Flipbook highlights whatever's under the cursor. Now, I should explain to you that it does this by looking at the content of the image. Okay, Flipbook can have up to 100 layers, and so it looks through all those layers trying to find the one closest to the top that has an image in it. All right, if we were in black and white mode, or if we hadn't painted Jupiter yet, then he'd be hollow, and when I put my cursor inside him, he wouldn't highlight. Okay, you'd have to put your cursor right on the line in order to get him to highlight. So when you're using these camera tools, it's much better if you've already painted your image. All right, so now we're on frame 1. We've got our camera tool selected, so let's just click on Jupiter and drag him wherever we want him to be on the first frame of the scene. All right, then we'll go to the end of the scene and we'll get our camera tool and we'll click on Jupiter and we'll move him over here to where we want him to be at the end of the scene, and then we'll click on play. All right, and that's it. That's how you do a pan. That makes Jupiter walk across the screen. He starts on the right at the beginning of the scene, walks across to the left until he gets to the end of the scene. And that's it. Now you notice you've got a red triangle in the last frame, and you've also got a red triangle in the first frame. Those indicate key frames. Okay, if we use these arrow keys now, this will take us to our next key, which happens to be the last frame of the scene, and this will take us to the previous key, which is the first frame of the scene. All right, so that's it. That's all there is to it. We'll do a quick recap. Let us use one more icon. We'll delete all of our keyframes, and that's all keys in all levels. So we prompt you before we let you do that to make sure that that's what you really want to do. All right, so we're going to delete those keyframes. Notice how the triangles are gone. All right, go to frame 1, click on the pan tool, select whatever it is that you want to pan, put it where you want it. Easy enough. Go to the last frame, click on the pan tool, select whatever it is you want, and drag it wherever you want it to be. Okay, that's it. Hit play, and there's the pan. All right. That's how to pan a foreground layer in Digicel Flipbook. Thanks for watching, and check us again soon for some more tutorials. Thanks a lot. Bye.